Alexa, turn off ambient light.
Okay.
Alexa, open the moonroof.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today we're going to see how you set up Alexa. Well, close the moonroof.
Okay.
I'll first reduce the AC so you can hear my voice. So as you can probably see that the word is written over here. If I say it, she'll wake up. So I've already set up Alexa on my car, and for you to see you need to go to communication and you can see right here. So in this I have enabled the wake word, so when I call her she wakes up. If I turn this off, you see this button here, this is your assist button. You can use this to wake her up, or you can turn this on and then she listen. So basically what I've done is I've turned on location sharing so that she knows which city I'm in and all that, so that I can know about the weather and stuff. You can turn these on or off based upon your need. So first I'll show you how I connected. So I'll just sign out for now. So this, now you can sign in and activate. So now it says that sign in with your Amazon account and you can scan the QR code, but since I'm recording with the phone, I'll actually show you. Now you'll see that it is written amazon.com/us/code. You will probably think that because we're in India you'll have to go to amazon.in, but you need to go to the exact website it tells you. So I'll show it on my laptop, just a minute. So when I actually open amazon.com/us/code, it actually redirects me to the app sign in, and you enter this website. It will take you here. Then you log in with the number that you want to use the Amazon account with. So for example, I use an Amazon account that has my Amazon Music and that has all my playlists and my liked music, etc. Then Alexa will be able to access those playlists, so I'd recommend you to log in with that number here. Once you log in, it will then ask you to enter device code, which is the code coming here. So when you enter that code and press continue, you'll see these pop-ups. It will say that Mahindra Electric Origin would like to access all of this stuff. You can read this, and then when you click on allow, now your car will basically have access to your Amazon account, and it will say that device connected to your account. And then here, when it syncs, you'll see that share vehicle location. If I would want that, I can tap agree, and you can also switch this off later on, but for now if I collect on agree and allow, then you can see that English or Hindi. It takes a couple of minutes to calibrate. And I don't know if you can hear it, but the fan of my car, the battery's fan, is actually working right now. It's pretty loud and you can even hear it inside the cabin. It's pretty hot outside, so yep, that's pretty normal. Then it will say that you can access MAIA, which is the Mahindra Artificial Intelligence Architecture, using the voice button in your steering wheel, which I told you earlier. It's this button right here. So and then just read it once, and then it will say that you're all. Now you can see that these are the features that it shows you. So right now, actually, if you can see here, that these are all the things that Alexa can do. So you know it can do these things. So sunroof, AC, window, temperature, then it will show you these things. And let's try the ventilated seats if it works. So as you can see that I've already turned them on. Alexa, turn off ventilated seats.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
So it actually can't do it. But Alexa, turn off the AC.
Okay.
So it can actually turn off the AC. And it can also turn off the fan if you want. Alexa, turn off the fan.
Okay.
So as you can see that now the whole climate control has shut off. Now this is useful if you're driving and you don't want to fiddle with the screen. These basics are included with the Alexa. You can turn this off. It can also access your Amazon Music account, and it will be able to play playlists that you have in your Amazon Music with the respective account that you've synced right now. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty useful if you like to listen to music. And yes, the sound quality using Alexa is a lot better than using Apple CarPlay, at least in my version where the bass cut issue happens. So with Alexa it also happens, but the music quality overall is a lot better if I use this instead of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So guys, this was the video on how to set up Alexa. I hope it helped. If it did, then please like the video, please share it, comment down below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and have a happy journey.